got out of the gym. Let's go run some errands because we're having some friends over later. Honestly, I don't know why I go to the gym. Why do I do this to myself? But first things first, we gotta go get some coffee. And I also promised Carlos an iced coffee. So let's go to Dunkin'. Line at Dunkin' was huge. So I kept driving. We're at Starbucks. There's no line here. So let's get some Starbucks. Hi, can I just have 2 venti iced coffees with cream only, no classic? Thank you. This is a message for Starbucks. Why do you only require the app to be updated when people are in the drive-thru? Every single time, without fail. The Dunkin' app doesn't do this to me. I'm just saying, just playing the devil's advocate here. I gotta figure out which one looks better. It's all about the ice ratio to coffee and also the color. The color is identical because you never know what you're gonna get. Which one says me? She is in all her glory. Now we are off to go and get pizza dough because we're gonna be using our outdoor wood fire oven for the first time tonight. It was a present. I didn't buy it, but I'm so excited to try it because I've always wanted one. So yeah, we gotta go to my favorite bakery. I was gonna pull out my sourdough and get that going, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take the easy way out. I'm just gonna go to the bakery. My parents have actually been getting dough from this bakery to make pizza for as long as I've been alive, so over 2 decades. So let's go to the bakery. Okay, I think that was the owner, and I told him, listen, I try to make my own dough. It doesn't come like yours. And then he told me how they make it. Granted, he could have been leaving a little something out, but he seemed genuine. I gotta call my dad. This is groundbreaking. It's like 20 degrees. Everyone's looking at me like I'm off my rocker. I mean, I am, but anyway, we're at Stop and Shop. Ooh, I also heard that they have the cranberry poppy here, which I have not been able to find at Target. This is always a good one. This one is also really good. All right, if I was poppy, where would I be? I saw that they had some poppy in the fridge on an end cap, but there's gotta be like boxes of it or something on a regular shelf. Oh, I actually do need some cranberry juice because that's what I like to do. I like to put cranberry juice into the seltzer. Oh, what's this? I'm gonna skip that. I'd rather just get cranberry. I normally get the original, but they've got this unsweetened one. I might try too. Just in case, I'm gonna grab one of these too. Wait a minute. As y'all know, I don't drink, but I've been loving a little seltzer water with a dash of either pomegranate or cranberry juice. It's like a fun little soda, you know? Anyways, all right, now I gotta go home. Oh, I think I have a protein shake in here. Ha ha! I gotta go home and clean the house because even though my best friend knows what my house looks like, I'm just gonna clean it anyway, you know? Anywho, I will talk to you guys later. Happy Saturday. Bye.